CGA is pleased to announce an expanded exhibition this year for the 2023 CGA Conference and Expo, April 17th through the 21st at the Caribe Royale in Orlando, Florida. Classroom moves to the job site as new innovative products and services from the damage prevention industry's leading exhibitors will be just steps off the indoor exhibit floor. See equipment in action, demo products, and experience hands-on learning with our network of professionals. Locate a buried utility line, view the 3D map of utilities on site, and witness the efficiencies of vacuum excavation. The CGA Expo is the epicenter of damage prevention, and we encourage you to join us on the road to zero. Visit cgaconference.com for more information.